In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Webflow. This can be a handy feature when you want to control who has access to specific content on your website, whether it's for keeping certain information private or simply ensuring that only authorized users can view it. Let's get started by walking through the steps on how to set this up. First, we'll need to open the Pages panel. As you dive into the Webflow Designer interface, you'll notice a menu located on the left-hand side. This menu is your gateway to various options, and you'll want to click on the Pages icon to open up the panel where all your site's pages are listed. If you're unfamiliar with this part of the Webflow interface, don't worry, it's where you manage and organize all your web pages easily. Next, identify the specific page you want to protect and go ahead and click the little gear icon next to it. This action will take you into that page's settings where you can configure various options, including, of course, our focus for today, password protection. Once you're in the page settings, you'll want to keep an eye out for the General section. This is where most of the basic settings for your page are located. Within this section, locate the toggle option for password protection. Simply switch this toggle to the on position. This is the starting point for adding an extra layer of security to your page. With password protection now enabled, it's time to create a password. Think of a unique password that you can easily remember, yet isn't too predictable for others. Enter this password in the field provided. A good practice is to choose a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Remember, this password is your gatekeeper. Only those who know it will be able to access the page. Having set the password, it's just as crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it to ensure that all your configurations are stored. This step is necessary to confirm that the password protection is successfully in place and ready to function as intended. Finally, to make sure these changes are live for your site visitors or users, you need to publish your site. This might seem like a simple step, but it's essential. By publishing, you're making sure that anyone trying to view the protected page will now be prompted to enter the password you just set. Remember to verify that the password protection works as expected by trying to access the page yourself, ideally from another browser or device. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully safeguarded your Webflow page, granting access only to those who have the right password. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.